There's a security person right there. Want to ask her?
You have no idea?
No, I don't know cars.
Shit.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That was weird. I'm not about to show you how to turn on your radio in your car. You gonna knock me in my head? Ain't nobody ever gonna see me again? Man, that was weird. Please don't sit there. I don't know if y'all heard that. I don't know if it was recording. He just got this car yesterday. He don't know how to turn the radio on. You ain't about to knock me in my head. Ain't nobody gonna see me again. I want to go home to my family. Listen, I am Shea. I am here for my weekends. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shea. I already said that. Shea with the pow. Debbie, take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. You got my whole entire vibe. My whole entire vibe is off now. But listen, y'all. So as far as my weekend, I need 15 offers for $3. Not the greatest of bonuses, but I'm gonna work with what I got. I'll be tracking towards that larger one as well, which is cool. And I think I needed 50 for, I don't know, something 10. And so hopefully I'll be able to hit that this time around. As y'all know, I've been working with Be Frugal. I've been trying them out, and I'm not gonna front. It might be fixed. Because they was broke before. Like, every time I tried it, it was just like, I try again. And so, I've been trying it, though, these last couple weeks, and it has been working. Customer support, they actually got that set up. So, that's a good thing. As y'all know, if I can't get in touch with you, then what the heck? I mean, if it's good, it's good. But if it's not good, can I get in touch with you? Can I hit you up? So, if I can't even contact you, then there's a problem. So I contacted support for the Nair. They send me this automatic message from something labs, Bit Lab or something like that. It said 4 days. It took a week and a half. I will say that it took a little longer for me to get credit, but I did get credit for the Nair, which is cool. And so, yeah, so I'm going to be doing a lot more Be Frugal, especially if you were going to get back more money. And then I know I mentioned previously, like, y'all know my cash out game is on point. I think you have to be in this type of business situation, right? But with Be Frugal, because you can only cash out every 14 days, it's like, by the time 14 days comes around, I'm at 100. And so it's like, I hate to keep money in there, but I don't have a flipping choice. Like you promised they only cash you out the first week of the month, and you have to either link your bank account, or you can go into your PayPal settings and get your routing number, which is what I did. So I do have my PayPal linked to my Upromise, and they automatically cash you out the first week of the month. And so with Be Frugal, it's like you can't help but to hit that $100, so then you get an extra 25 for waiting that long, but you kind of like don't have a choice, you know. But anyway, so with that being said, if you haven't tried this one right here, this button is bomb, especially when it's ice cold. It's the cherry, so freaking good. But anyway, so look, we're gonna head to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what you could grab, you have to do, hit the like button and keep on watching. All right, y'all. So this first deal, y'all know summer is right around the corner. I would be just stocking up and throwing these in the freezer. But this deal is in the ballpark. Hot dogs, again, they are still on rollback for $2.84. We'll grab 2 and pay $5.68. Getting back $4.11 on Be Frugal, 60 cents on checkout 51 will make them only 48 cents each. All right, this deal here is on the Werther's Originals. They are priced at $2.08. For this, we want to grab 2 of them. We'll pay $4.16. We'll get back $3.51 on Be Frugal. Plus, we'll get 80 cents on checkout 51, which will make them both a 15-cent moneymaker. All right, so this next deal is on the Suavitel Refresher. I did get an offer for Ripple Street, which I was like, OMG. So for this, we're going to go ahead and grab 2 of them, priced at $4.68. The 2 is going to come to $9.36. We'll get back $7.70 from Be Frugal, $1.50 from Walmart or Ibotta. $1.10 on checkout 51. I also hit a bonus of 51 cents as well, and then $4.68 from Ripple Street, making both a $6.20 moneymaker. All right, so I noticed I had a Fetch Reward offer for spend 10, get back 2, and I was super close, so I went ahead and grabbed just one bottle by itself at $4.68. I got back $1.50 on Swagbucks, $1.10 on checkout 51, and $2 on Fetch, making that one only 8 cents. And of course I had to do this deal again because it's like, why not? It's something all free and clear fabric sheets. They're priced at $3.74. We're grabbing 2 of them. We'll pay $7.48, getting back $6.90 on Be Frugal, and then 50 cents for Walmart Rewards or Ibotta, bringing them down to only 4 cents each. I also decided to grab this deal again as well. We're grabbing 1 of each. They are priced at $5.22 each. The total is going to come to $10.44, getting back $6.90 on Be Frugal. I also have $2 back for each on Ibotta, and then I'm going to be hitting an offer for Fetch as well, getting back $2.25, making them both a $2.71 moneymaker. Next up is the Purex. It is on the older bottles, which are 57 loads. I'm not sure if this would work on the newer bottles, which are 58 loads. And so we're going to grab 1 at $5.97. We'll get back $2.50 on Ibotta. We'll also be getting back $2.34 on Be Frugal for just 1, making this only $1.13. Right, I forgot to take a picture of this one when I was in store, but it's on the Purex crystals. It looks like they're priced at $4.27. You'll be getting back $1 on Ibotta, $2.34 on Be Frugal, making this only 93 cents. I'm amazed at how many laundry deals we have this week, but this deal is on the Purex. It's on the larger bottle, the 115 load. It's priced at $8.97. We're going to grab 1, getting back 3 on Ibotta, and then $2.34 on Be Frugal, making this only $3.63. Now we do have a bonus of $2 when you buy 2. So I would grab 1 of each. You would pay $13.24. You would get back $2.34 on Be Frugal times 2 plus $6 on Ibotta, making them only $1.28 each. All right, so we have a deal here on the Airwick oils on the 2 counts. They're priced at $5.98. We do have a $4 printable from coupons.com. I'm sure it's no longer available. That does scan on the 2 count. It'll bring the total down to $1.98. You'll get back $1 on Ibotta, making them only 98 cents with a limit of 5. All right, so next up is the Febreze Small Spaces. It's on the double pack. It's priced at $5.94. We have a $3 Walmart reward offer, bringing that down to $2.94 for both our $1.47. You guys, I am loving these household deals right now. If you're still watching and you're loving the deals too, definitely don't forget to smash the like button. Help support your girl. And so this deal here is on the Febreze Air, priced at $3.44. We have a $2 offer on Walmart Rewards, bringing it down to $1.44. Definitely check this section for clearance because I did see a lot of items on clearance, especially the double packs. All right, this deal here is on the Ensure Max Protein. This is a Walmart Rewards offer. I did notice the Ibotta offer for me is buy 2 get 1 free. And so you got to buy 3, but the Walmart reward offer is just buy 1. So you're going to grab 1 at $3.98. You'll get that back, making it absolutely free. I went ahead and grabbed 1 for each of my Walmart accounts. All right, this next deal here is on the Arm & Hammer Plus TheraBreath. I think this is in the wrong spot because the online price is $6.97. So if it's $6.97, you'll get back $2 on Ibotta. There's also 2 on Be Frugal as well as checkout 51. It would make it 97 cents. Of course, if this is the correct price, then it would be a moneymaker. All right, so this deal here is on the Honest Wipes. One of my favorite deals this week. It's priced at $10.97. We're going to get that back on Social Nature. We also have $1.75 back on Ibotta, making this a $1.75 moneymaker. All right, so I also grabbed a single pack as well. It's priced at $3.97. You'll get that back on Social Nature plus 50 cents on Ibotta, making this a 50-cent moneymaker. I went ahead and grabbed one of each on 2 separate transactions, so I could submit 1 set for Ibotta, 1 for Walmart Rewards, and then both receipts to each of our Social Nature accounts because I know this deal is not going to last long. All right, so next up is the Nair. I finally found a store that had it in stock. We're going to grab 2 of them, priced at $5.84. The 2 is going to be $11.68. We'll get back $10.21 on Be Frugal. And then we'll get back $2 for each on Ibotta, plus $1.50 on checkout 51, making this a $4.03 moneymaker. All right, so this deal is on the Revlon. It is a triple stack. I wanted to try doing a manufacturer offer for Be Frugal since all I've done is the regular deals. And so I went ahead and grabbed the eyeshadow instead of the lipstick. It was priced at $6.93, getting back $2 for Ibotta, $3 on Checkout 51 and $3 on Be Frugal will make this a $1.07 moneymaker. And of course, this deal on the Shea Moisture is a pretty decent deal as well, especially if you're trying to hit a bonus. These little packs are priced at $2.97. You're going to grab one of them. You'll be getting back $2.50 on Ibotta, making them only 47 cents each with a limit of 3. And of course, I had to do this deal again on the Swagbucks hair dye. For this, we're grabbing one of each, the blondes as well as the darker shades. Now, I don't have this offer on Checkout 51. I thought it would reset this morning, but it already had ran out before I went to the store. And so for this, we're grabbing two, priced at $11.97. The total for both is $23.94. We're going to get back $3 for each on Ibotta, $14.45 from Be Frugal, and then $6 on Fetch. I'm hitting that offer twice. Because I'm already tracking for it, making them both a $2.51 moneymaker. All right, so last but not least is going to be on the Got to Be Curled. We're going to grab one of these priced at $9.97. You'll get back $5.75 on Be Frugal, $2.50 on Ibotta, and $2.50 on Checkout 51. It'll make it a 78-cent moneymaker. Now, if you want to grab two, you could grab two and pay $19.94. You would get back $12.25 on Be Frugal, $2.50 on Ibotta, and $2.50 on Checkout 51, which would then bring them down to $1.34 each. All right, y'all. So here is my complete haul for today. This worked out pretty amazing. I'm not even gonna lie. So yeah, I probably shouldn't get no more hot dogs. I gotta give all those to my sister. And I gotta give her those Tates because your girl already took down 2 bags, and I said no. Because my greedy butt will eat all 4 that I got. But listen, this worked out good. I didn't have any coupons today. Although I did want to do the razors because we have the Knox coupon. And I did want to do Airwick as well. But I said, you know what, I'll just wait until I get my my next bonus because I already had hit it with this. And even the few deals I did today, I didn't necessarily need. But I wanted to do the Honest Wipes because I don't know how long it's going to last on Social Nature. I noticed the offers tend to go a little bit faster nowadays, but also notice that with Social Nature, you have to check back because sometimes it'll go away and it'll come back. There's been countless times where they'll send you the email saying that this offer is already gone, but then I'll still have it. So, but I did want to do those deals before they ended. I didn't even think that we carried the Honest Wipes at our Walmarts, but I did find one today that had it, which was really, really cool. I have a lot that I'm going to be waiting for on Be Frugal, and it has been working for me, but I'm still a little nervous. I'm gonna be close to 100, so I may do a couple more deals tomorrow, just so that way once my 14 days is up, I can cash out automatically for the 100, which would be really, really cool, or 125 rather. With that being said, I'm gonna try to run through this. I will pop up my receipts. I think I had 5 receipts. I did 2 transactions yesterday, and I think today I did like 3. So I'll pop them up so that you guys can see how everything looks on a receipt, if it matters. I don't know. Do you guys even really care? I don't know. And so with that being said, everything you see here retails $132.16. We had $9.65 in tax. And then we didn't have no coupons. It is what it is. We paid what we paid. Be Frugal, I should be getting back $62.60. Social Nature is $29.88 between 2 accounts. Ibotta is $21.75. Walmart Rewards was $14.21. Checkout 51 was $10.92. Fetch Reward was $10.25. Ripple Street was $4.68. And then last but not least, Swagbucks was $1.50. It brings our total to $155.79 back. It's going to make everything you see here free plus a $23.63 moneymaker, which is really, really, really cool. I did want to mention with Social Nature, there's never a link for it. You just have to check it. I say check. I check it every day. All right. I check the sister apps. I usually will just check one because they are sisters, so they have the same offers. So I only really have to check one of those, but for the most part, all the apps, you should be pretty much checking them daily. For new offers, I check them in the morning when I'm at the gym. It's just easy and convenient for me at that time. And so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's Easter Sunday. You guys won't see this until Monday morning. But I hope you guys had a very enjoyable holiday with your loved ones. Let me see some Easter eggs, bunnies in the comments if you made it to the end. And as always, I will see you in the next video.